With the H product range, Schmersal offers a variety of application solutions, especially for hygiene-sensitive areas. This includes emergency stop push buttons, small mushroom head impact buttons, small illuminated mushroom head impact buttons, large mushroom head impact buttons, large mushroom head impact buttons with latching, push buttons, illuminated push buttons, indicator lights, blind plugs, selector switches with short or long toggle, step selector switches, potentiometer drives, and main switches. The emergency stop push button has an integrated yellow background. It is therefore not necessary to attach a yellow shield separately. This significantly reduces potential dirty edges. The small push button is available as a non-illuminated and as an illuminated version. Due to the small raised design, the push button can be easily operated, for example, even with thick work gloves, or to execute a stop command. The large mushroom head impact buttons are ideal for applications where the operator is inhibited by chain gloves to operate small buttons precisely. The shape geometry makes it easy to unlock even latching devices with gloves or oily food on the hands. Push buttons and illuminated push buttons are the classics among the command and signaling devices. They are therefore almost indispensable on every food processing machine. The new design allows liquids to flow off easily and thus prevents dirt particles from adhering in any position. When it comes to signaling machine statuses, fill levels, or the like, it is hard to get around an indicator light. Thanks to the new design of the indicator lights, the illuminated area is significantly larger and can also be clearly seen from the side. Blind plugs make it possible to create universal command units with more or less functions. Command points that are not needed can simply be closed hygienically. There is a choice of almost any combination of selector switches with 2 or 3 positions and with short or long toggles. If more than 2 or 3 positions are required, step selector switches with up to 12 switching steps are available. Just as there is not only black and white, there are also applications that know not only on and off. For these cases where something needs to be precisely controlled, the universally usable potentiometer drive is available. A variety of connection options for standard potentiometers allow them to be combined with an hygienic design. The main switches offer a good possibility to switch off machines or system parts, whether for cleaning or maintenance, without neglecting hygienic requirements. The main switches range from 16 to 125 amps and can be safeguarded with a shackle lock to prevent unintentional restart. The command devices range with its hygienic design certified by the DGUV combines good cleanability and high chemical resistance with a simple mounting concept. Here we demonstrate the mounting of a command device using the example of an emergency stop push button. The device head is inserted into the front panel and aligned with the anti-twist protection. The device head is mounted with the central nut. The desired contact elements are attached to the contact carrier by snapping them on. The pre-configured contact carrier is attached to the unit head by snapping it on. For illuminated units, the light element and the illuminant are snapped onto the center position first. The pre-configured contact carrier is attached to the device head by snapping it on. For hygienic cleaning, the coarse dirt is first removed with the help of a high-pressure cleaner. The remaining dirt is removed with a suitable cleaning agent. These are rinsed off with water without leaving any residue after the appropriate exposure time. Finally, the surfaces are disinfected with a disinfectant. For the cleaning agents recommended by Schmersal, please refer to this table, which can be found in the operating instructions.